Today it's just me. And we are doing, or I am doing a sour challenge. It's the Sour Candy Factory that our grandma got us. And so, we are so sorry that we have not been uploading. We just have been very busy, and Joey hasn't been wanting to make any videos, and we keep forgetting. So we'll start uploading more daily. Peace. All right, hello everyone watching.
That's the right amount.
We are going to be eating this.
It's actually the right amount of gelatin.
Sour Candy Factory grape flavored gummy with my grandma and my brother, and we made it in the Ohio State mold. So let's try it.
If
3, 2,
make
1.
them again, do you like them a little bit softer, like the red ones? Okay, yeah, because this is what they're supposed to be. Remember, and his was like a little bit short of the. Then no more for you.
It tastes horrible.
He just likes spinning.
I do.
It's so clear.
It like tastes. I wouldn't recommend trying this.
I actually make.
It's not. It's not the sour. It's just the flavor. Gross.
I make them with big.
Back. Now we got watermelon flavor. I'm scared for this.
Okay.
Last time I had to spit. 3, 2. I'm gonna try to pretend that I like it.
Shoot.
Jeez, already got 18 minutes of ice time.
Oh. Not good. 44, let me. 13, be right back.
I dropped it on the floor, but I washed it off.
Ooh. So, yeah. Once again, we'll not recommend. Buy these. Just want to warn you. They don't really taste good. In my opinion. Not the sourness, just the taste, flavor. Bye.